welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. So today's video is about reclaiming your edges. So I decided to give you guys a video on what I have been doing that keeps my edges intact, and also my hair volume that a lot of you really wonder and like. These are the two main products that I used to regrow my edges when I had the braids in 2017 that destroy and thin my edges. So I went in and bought this black Jamaican castor oil, and I have been using this Organics hair product by African Best, which is called Fertilizer Hair Therapy. I've had this all through my hair journey, but when I wanted to work on my edges, I had to add this Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. You can use any just Jamaican black castor oil. You have other types, but this is the mango and lime version. I used this on my hair twice a day because I really wanted my hairline to get intact. So I will use it in the morning. First, I will moisturize my hair with either a leave-in conditioner or water. Then I go in and apply the Jamaican castor oil on my edges, and then I massage it very well, and then I seal it in with this fertilizer hair therapy. So that's what I did on daily basis. At night also, when I just started, at night I will apply solely the Jamaican black castor oil. So I did the Jamaican black castor oil twice a day, while I did the hair fertilizer just once to seal in the oil. I was really desperate. You have to avoid styles that will tension your baby hairs in front. Like, there are styles that I will not do on my natural hair because I'm afraid they are going to either thin my edges or break them. Like, I don't do braids that are tight. I do not I don't also do Ghana weaving on my hair, because the beginning of that hairstyle is always very tense at the front, and I am number 3 style that I would advise you not to do if you're thinking about growing your edges is to do glue your front hair, your hairline with glue to wear your fromthe wigs. Or number 4 is plaiting. Whatever style you're plaiting, you make it too tight at the front. No, don't do that. If you're having braids, I haven't said in this video that you should not braid your hair, but make sure each time someone is braiding your hair, they should do it loosely at the front. Sometimes it's even good to avoid your front, the really smaller baby hairs in front. Like, if you like my edges now, these smaller parts, they are not like long like the other parts of my hair. So if I have to braid my hair, for example, I'll tell them to not touch my edges, and then you can use gel or scarf and slick it down whenever you want to arrange the rest of your hair. That way your hairline is safe, and you continuously oil it, moisturize it, and massage it even while in a protective style. So that's what I've been doing. For me, no one plaits my hair. If I'm plaiting my hair alone, I am aware of the fact that I don't have to tension my hair. And I think last year, the whole of last year, 2017, I had just one braid that I did on my hair, and that caused a lot of damage in front of my hair in April that I went to Africa. So I vowed never to plait my hair again in a salon, braiding my hair in a salon, because no matter how you tell them not to make it tight, they always want to do what they know. And I think at the end of the year, like November, I did braid my hair myself, but they were very big and it was not tight because I did it myself. And then I used it for just 2 weeks and I took it off. Another reason why your hair might be breaking is the fact that you carry your protective styles for so long that you don't moisturize and clean your scalp, and then when you wash it not using the proper procedures, you find a lot of breakage. So I think I maintain my hair this thick and my edges because plaiting is like out of reach for me. I will show you in this video after talking the kind of styles that I do that save my hair from breaking and thickening my hair and cause my edges not to break. I do a lot of updos like this. As you can see, there is no tension on this hairstyle. I only twisted the ends and tucked it in. That way my ends are safe. They will not break. You also have to think about another kind of protective style that I do on my hair is twist. Like I wear twist every week. Once I wash my hair, okay, so now I'll go in with my castor oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is my favorite for the month of September. It's what I've been using since the beginning of September. I don't like mixing oils so that I can give a good josh after a month of using it. So this is solely what I'm using for September, so that I can see how it works on my edges and my entire hair as a whole. So normally what I do is just place my 2 fingers like this, and then I get a good quantity, and then I massage my hairline with it first. So this is what I'll continue doing. This is what I've been doing, especially on my edges, every day since the month of September, because I really want my edges to grow. And I've heard so much about the castor oil that I want to really try it and see how well it works on my edges and my entire hair. So yeah, I'm done with that. So now I'll go in with my Organics Hair Fertilizer. They say it stimulates thin hair and it's a treatment for damaged hair, so I always use it. So I'll go ahead and apply it. This is the last thing I apply on my hair. Immediately after my wash day routine, what I do on my hair is braid my hair in the form of twists all over, depending on what I want and look good. I'm going to insert pictures of different sizes of twists that I normally carry on my hair all the time. I do bigger sizes, and if I want to do my chunky twist out and all whatnot, I know I have to go for bigger twists. I thought it wise to share these tips with you so that you can be able to either practice it or there is no cure or no magic, I mean to say, regrowing or reclaiming back what you've lost on your hair, rather than preventing the mistakes that you do all the time. You cannot be talking about growing your edges and the same time you go and sit in a salon where they plait your hair. And I see some hairstyles in some of the hair groups that I find myself, they plait somebody and the scalp becomes very red and tense, as if you smile your scalp will just tear. You don't need all that. You don't need all that. I have from 0 to 6 months you will start seeing a lot of results. It's not all about what product I use, but what I prevent to do on my hair. I think that's the best thing to know. I don't braid my front hair. I don't tension my hair. That's the secret. If you do like this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, thumbs up and share my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in yet another video. Bye bye.